Welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing War Thunder again with Britain at low tier. I decided to mash things up a bit, go a bit lower in BR, have some fun, don't take the whole thing too seriously like usually. So let's try and have fun with, I forget what this thing is, Daimler Mk II apparently. There's so many things in this game I can't remember all the names. I'm sorry for that, really bad commentary on my side. So let's go to the B point. Yeah, I know we are wheeled vehicles, so we shouldn't be doing that well mobility wise, and we are not that heavy, so we can get stuck on things that we shouldn't get stuck. Yeah, our armor, if they shoot at us with pistols we should be alright, but you know, we are in a tank combat game, so yeah, we won't have 38 revolvers being fired at us, so yeah, it's going to be really fun. And we are not particularly fast, I'm figuring out either, so yeah, let's stay back. Let's stay back. Let's see if we can see something. That was weird, and that was weird for me to say, nothing that really happened in the game actually. Let's back up a bit. Let's keep a check on that side a bit more, or not. Let's make this video interesting. Let's die a lot. Why I drove over here? Maybe cover. Let's cross over to the other end. Might catch someone's flank. Oh, can't see anyone over there. See if there's anybody guarding this street actually. Nope. Oh shit, I don't think we can kill that thing actually. Let's shoot his butt cheek. No, didn't help a lot. We probably just made him mad enough. Oh shit. He doesn't hey, acknowledge me. I'm dangerous. We're just poking a bear, I think. Okay, transmission out. Yeah, he's just the commander in there. Can we get under his turret? Oh, we need to hit him from the side a few times. Who did that? Bastard. Scrawny little bastard. I won't capture the point now. I'm mad. I done majority of the work with that. It's supposed to be a teamwork, but I am angry. I went with a paintball against a bear literally, and I was winning. I'm angry now. No. Okay. Let's see if we see somebody over here. Hey, hello there. Howdy. Shit. No, he's not stupid. Boom, just probably annihilated him. Shit, he saw me. I was relying literally on 1-2 BR level piloting, so that wasn't smart of me. Anti-air, no, let's take the Stuart. We improve anything? Yeah, I don't know if we improve on the gun department much. We are tracked in snow, so that's supposedly better. We don't have a 50. We can make him mad, though. Yeah, we must hit him to make him mad. So, yeah, that didn't go as planned. Let's drive into town. Create some ruckus. We should do something like stupid the next video. Like take the M22 to A.0, like something like that, or the BT7. I would do something like that. I feel like being annoying today. It's going to probably be a really short video, but still, I'm going to do it. I am not editing these videos, if you haven't realized it. I just wing it. So, happens what it happens. Yeah, some turn out to be good, others turn out to be a mess. But hey, it's my mess. So, yeah. And now we probably won't have anything to kill. Hey, oh. Is the Chinese one with the Z3 gun? No, I don't think he is. I crashed into the house, if you haven't realized it. Yeah. This doesn't present my real life driving skills. Really, I think. I like to think so. What is that? Let's take out the turret first. Okay, we just needed like 8 shots to get him, not counting the machine gun. So yeah, doing great. Probably wouldn't be that smart to go at. Shit. What? Okay, James, I thought it was anti-air or something at first. That's actually friendly fire. I have an American tank. Come on, guys. I'm taking a plane now. I don't care if I don't have any bombs. I'm going flying. Oh. I need to get some research points for the aircraft. And actually we might get some. What's that thing up so high? Probably a high altitude bomber or something. That guy crashed. Oh, he's diving. He's diving fast. Like he is. Jesus. He's hauling ass. He's crashing probably. No, he's not. Let's get a shallow dive on him. If he would stop moving for a second. Oh, that is their spawn point. That's why he was so up high. Yeah, I'm not particularly smart. We shouldn't get in a dogfight with a biplane. We should probably just boom and zoom really fast. Let's pull away. Yeah, that's why you don't get in a dogfight with a biplane. Now I have two guys on my ass. Let's pull. I try to pull away. We have better climb than him. Let's get some dive over here. This was actually smart on my side. Let's do something weird. Okay, we survived. Actually, I didn't get shot down in a plane on my channel. This is the first time. So, thank you guys for watching. This was a fun video for me to make. I really enjoyed playing at low tier, if you haven't realized it. So, thank you for watching. We could do a lot more low tier videos like this. Please like and subscribe. And again, thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. You giving me a chance to film this, a chance to make this content for such a early on time in the channel. Since the channel is doing pretty well thanks to you guys, so I'm incredibly grateful, and see you on the next one. Donkey out.